I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 16 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts today is something that makes you happy. And what can make me happier than a little boy with a puppy dog? A form. I've got this digital of a form. Text in a language foreign to you. I've got this, I guess it's like a business card type thing. That's, I want to say, I don't know what language it's in. Geometric design. I have got these stickers that's got geometric designs. Something outdated. I've got this chair that's a little bit outdated there. And I've also got these dresses. Although I would wear those today if I could fit in them. But they are pretty. But they're not your typical style. And the bonus is a sticker. And the geometric are stickers too. But I've also got some extra stickers to play with. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I'm still struggling with a headache. Let's see here. Get my form down as my background. And I am just going to... I'm going to trim this out just a little bit. Make it fit a little better. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP16 to see what everyone has made this week. Okay. I used a straight edge, and how did it get so unstraight? I am so sorry. You've guessed it. Once again, I have run out of space on my phone. I actually had deleted stuff, but I forgot to empty the delete the storage part. So, you missed most of this, but I can run over it, and I still want to do some splatters. But I have got something that makes you happy and a little boy with a dog. I've got my form. I have got my text in a language foreign to you. I've got that. I have got my geometric designs. I've got squares and circles and sort of triangles. Something outdated. I've got my chair. And the bonus is sticker. And of course, these are stickers, and I added this sticker to it as well. So now let's get the splatters. I also outlined around with my Stabila All. I like how it turned out. I just hate you missed my conversation. You might not miss it. It was basically, I'm partial to little boys because I have two young men now, but they were once little boys. I love them. They good sons. All right. Well, this is week 16 done. Very quick for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, what little bit it was of it. Hit that like button if you haven't, and subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Good, the bad, the ugly. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.